Alright, so in an effort to get the most out of our equipment, we're using the Power Harrow as something of a weeder. And the Power Harrow it's set pretty shallow and it just rotates, and you can see it just pulls stuff right to the surface. That's after using the harrow, and this just beside it is before we actually pass on it. So another benefit of using the harrow is that actually levels off the land pretty nice, so it gets progressively easier to walk and also to drive machines down this path, and it actually really does a good job of leveling out the earth. So we'll get this thing started. I'll just show you. It is a heavy unit, so it's kind of hard to do it one-handed. It's attached to our MAB 231, and I'm just going to go slow. Yeah, it was a short demo. It's a bit of a heavy unit. That's the one drawback. The thing you can do with it is actually put a rear cage roller, which would help stabilize it somewhat and make it easier to use. But as you can see, it is doing what I thought it could do. It's pulling up all the weeds and leveling off the ground at the same time. When I get the cage roller, which will be coming in, I'll do another video with it and see how much it improves. Like I said, it is heavy, so it does take two hands to use. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.